Innovation and technology are revolutionizing every industry. Uber is disrupting taxis, Airbnb is disrupting hotels, Amazon is transforming retail. We're seeing traditional services like financial services and medical services transformed. Should we expect law to be any different? Far too many people lack access to legal services. This includes not just individuals, but businesses who say they don't get the legal services they need. If we care about the rule of law, shouldn't we be thinking about how we could provide access to legal services for everyone in a digital world? And when we think about this digital world that's developing around us, that digital world needs digital governance. Lawyers and other legal services professionals have an opportunity now to shape the future. We need legal services, legal systems, and law that's fit for the 21st century. Since the downturn in 2008, one of the things we've seen is that demand for law firm services has been relatively flat. But we know that consumers, their demand has not diminished. In fact, businesses and consumers need law more than ever in a complex world. What we're seeing is many of those consumers are getting their needs met in different ways. Corporate legal departments, for example, are hiring far more lawyers over the last few decades. They're deciding to make the services they need rather than buy them externally. We're also seeing new competitors in the legal services delivery market, alternative legal services providers. We're seeing legal tech companies. Corporate legal departments are going to these new providers. And we're also seeing even law firms start to use some of them as well. The rise of legal operations is also changing the game. And this has been particularly driven by corporate legal departments and their legal operations function. What I'd like to talk about is a framework for thinking about how the industry is really changing. And that's people, process, data, and technology. Think about people. Law has always been very lawyer-focused, but there are many opportunities for other professionals and others to deliver value. And for all of us in the legal industry, thinking about improving our people skills, better leadership, better management, listening, coaching, counseling, understanding empathy and really embracing it in the things we do, and then improving those process, data, and technology skills. So I want you to think about this framework as allowing us to think about creating 21st century legal services delivery organizations. And we want to populate those organizations with 21st century legal services delivery professionals. And our model for that is the T-shaped legal services professional. This idea, the T-shaped legal services professional, was something developed by my colleague, Amani Smathers. So we're thinking about this on the individual level, but we should also think about it on an organizational level. What we're thinking about is what is the traditional expertise that we have, and that's the trunk of the T. Lawyers, for example, have deep legal expertise. What we're seeing more and more now today is we want to think about the top of the T, those adjacent skills for lawyers and legal services professionals. How do we develop competence in the business of law, in legal operations, in process improvement, project management, knowledge management, metrics, data analytics, and technology, just to name a few skills? And again, we want to think about this as individuals who are delivering legal services, but how do we build organizations that have these competencies and skills to improve the delivery of services to our customers?